This is James here with Dreamscapes. This is a before video for one of our projects where you get to really see things as they were before we came in and transformed the space, okay? We're going to create approximately a 22-foot long pondless waterfall. It's going to start back in there, curve around the garden, and finish up right here with our pit being right here. We're going to keep this garden and make this a centerpiece of the landscape, but we're going to do some interesting stonework here, maybe create a little pool here where there'll be boulders here. You'll be able to sit here with hopefully your feet in the water as it rushes by, but in a way that doesn't block the view from the house. So it's a curving stream as it meanders its way down, and we're going to remove all these shrubs here, and that'll give us a little bit of room to work within. So this is our before video, and now you're ready for after, and voila! Dreamscape comes with sitting boulders, places where people can interact with nature and that invites you into the space. So we've got our main one here that brings people to sit right by the pool near the main waterfall, and now we're trying to figure out where's our second boulder going to be, because we like people to talk, and so we don't know. It might be here, it might be here. Stay tuned to find out. Hi my friends, it's James here with Dreamscapes. Welcome to a tour of our latest Pondless waterfall. We're in Toluca Lake, California. And we have a very small space that we're working within. Only about 8 feet wide by about 30 feet long. But look what we've created. A 27-foot long curving pondless waterfall. Come take the tour. Because this is a dreamscape, we got a sitting benches and a little pool to put your feet in. Of course, even though it's a pondless waterfall, it still has a pool. And we're gonna put fish in here. The plants are of course gonna grow all around. And there's one more sitting bench right here. So, check out the detail in this waterfall. It's absolutely amazing. We used our 2 biggest boulders in the whole project right up front to form the whole mountain. And then we used the largeness of these boulders to create a space, a cave there behind this waterfall. So the water has a chance to fall back behind in here, back in there. And there's multiple reasons for that. That's actually the way nature works. But also our client wanted a more muted waterfall that's not too loud. Take a listen. And you hear how the sound changes with the rock there? Look at the attention to detail. It's a dreamscape. Because it's a dreamscape, there's an incredible amount of attention to detail from the very top to the very bottom. In fact, the same amount. We pour our hearts into every project. We design it to fit within the space that we're working so that all of our water features are proportional. And of course, there's the plantings. The gorgeous, beautiful, magical plantings that are enchanting from day one. Are you ready for your dreamscape to come true?